hating on me right now. You wanna fuck me, you gotta get some special head.
Damn, I always forget to wipe off my mirror. What we not gonna do is film no video with no dirty mirror. That's what we not gonna do. What's poppin', people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl V Nezzy in the building, and today I am coming to you guys with a makeup look. So I have a couple of errands that I'm going to run today, and I'm just going to do something quick, something slight, something simple. I am going to keep on what I got on, which is this pretty little thing, sports bra, and I just have on some black leggings. That's about it. I don't think I'm doing lashes today, just a solid foundation and a little pop of color on the lid. So I just want to hop on really quickly before I get started and let you guys know what's up. Other than that, yeah, let's get right into it. Let go. Yeah, I'm shaking my head because I said I was supposed to be doing something simple, but this whole look just went left. So yeah, we're gonna glam it up a little bit. Your girl got a message from somebody interesting. So I don't know what kind of lip I want to go with. This is the finished look as far as my foundation and my eyes. Now we're going to start on my lips. So I don't know if I want to do a neutral type lip or I kind of want to go pink. I kind of want to do a pop of color and to go pink, but I don't know. I don't know. So we're going to try the pink and see how it look. We're going to try the pink. So I'm going to line my lips real quick with chestnut and then we're going to go from there. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I should put on some lashes. I'm being so lazy, you guys. I am sorry. One day I'm gonna put on lashes, I promise. Actually, my next get ready with me that I'm gonna do, because I'm doing a lookbook, I'm gonna make sure I put on lashes because I'm gonna record the look that I'm doing, and I'm gonna of course record the lookbook. So this is what we looking like. I did a little bit of shimmer on the lids. I smoked it out with some brown and put a little bit of green in the center. And then I didn't, I forgot to do my under eye, but I'm not gonna do it now. So this is the finished look. But yeah, that's on my eyes. And then on my lips, chestnut. And then I did a lipstick by ColourPop. I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it in the description. And then I topped it off with some pink lip gloss. So this is what we have. I thought the pink would be very cute with the green. So this is the look. Let me turn you guys this way. Please ignore my setup. Oh, you guys can't see it. I mean, this is like a more full view of it. It's cute. So I hit her in the DMs. She giving cuteness. She's giving cute. my outfit. The top is from Pretty Little Thing. I have this in a Pretty Little Thing haul. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll plug that above as well, so definitely check out that video. The bottoms are just some regular smegular leggings from Forever 21. I absolutely hate their leggings. I wouldn't even recommend their leggings, but yeah, top Pretty Little Thing, bottoms Forever 21. And other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to check out my last Get Ready With Me as well. I'll put that video above as well, so check that out. Other than that, it is time for me to get out of here. So I will see you guys in my next one. Peace. Let go.